Hello friends, welcome to the Point. So in this session we'll be discussing about Insurance Ombudsman. So recently the government has amended Insurance Ombudsman rules. So that is the reason we are discussing this topic today. So let's see what are the new rules made by the government. So the new rules done by the government is that the insurance brokers are now covered under Ombudsman rules. And the policy holders, they are now allowed to file online complaints, and the scope of the complaints has been enlarged to Ombudsman from only disputes earlier to deficiencies in service on the part of insurers, agents, brokers and other intermediaries. So the Ombudsman, they may use video conferencing for hearings. So these are the 4 new rules made by the government. So what is this Ombudsman first of all? So the Insurance Ombudsman scheme, it was created by the Government of India for individual policy holders to have their complaints settled out of the court system in a cost effective, efficient and in an impartial way. So that is called as Insurance Ombudsman. So this scheme, this was created by the Government of India for an individual policy holders to have their complaints, that is to be settled out of the court system in a cost effective, efficient and in an impartial way. So as per the new rules, in this Insurance Ombudsman, the insurance brokers will be covered and policy holders, they will be allowed to file a complaint, and the scope of the complaint, it has been enlarged to Ombudsman from only disputes earlier to deficiencies in service on the part of insurer, agents, broker and other intermediaries. And the Ombudsman, they can also use a video conferencing for hearings. So who can approach this Ombudsman? So any person who has a grievance against an insurer, he or she may himself or herself or through his legal heirs or nominee or assignee, they can make a complaint in writing to the Insurance Ombudsman. So one can approach the Ombudsman with complaint only if they have rejected it. That is, one has first approached insurance company with the complaint, and if the company had rejected the complaint, and if the company had not resolved it to the satisfaction of the policy holder, then if the company has not responded for the complaint that is made by the policy holder for the 30 days of time period, then one can approach the Ombudsman with a complaint. And the value of the claim, including the expenses claim, should not be above 30 lakhs rupees. Then he can approach the Ombudsman with the complaint. So talking about the appointment of Ombudsman, the Ombudsman is a person in the insurance industry, civil or judicial services, and is appointed by the Insurance Council. That is, the first thing is he serves the term of an Insurance Ombudsman, and the term is of 3 years. The settlement process or a recommendation, the Ombudsman, he will act as a mediator and he will arrive at fair recommendations that is based on the facts of the dispute. And if you accept this as a full and final settlement, the Ombudsman will inform the company which should comply with the term in 15 days. So if a settlement by recommendation does not work, then the Ombudsman will pass an award within 3 months of receiving all the requirements from the complaint, and which we will be binding on the insurance company. So once this award is passed, the insurer, he shall comply with the award within 30 days of the receipt of the award and intimate the complaints of the same to the Ombudsman. So this is about Insurance Ombudsman and its new rules, and we have learned what is insurance ombudsman, who can approach it, and what is the appointment of ombudsman. So I have said that the appointment of the ombudsman is a person who is in the insurance industry or civil or judicial services, and he is to be appointed by the insurance council, and the serving term of the insurance ombudsman is 3 years. So for the prelims, there may be a question about the insurance ombudsman scheme, what are the process for it, who can approach this insurance ombudsman, what is the appointment procedure, who will appoint the insurance ombudsman, and what is the term period, and what is award in insurance ombudsman. As I said, award here does not represent a good work or something here. So it means if a settlement by recommendation, if it does not work, then the ombudsman will pass an award within 3 months of receiving the requirements of the complaint, and which will be binding on the insurance company. So this is award, and once this award is passed, the insurer shall comply with the award within 30 days of the receipt of the award and intimate the complaints of the same with the ombudsman. So this is all about insurance ombudsman scheme. See you in the next session with some other interesting topic. Thank you.